So you're thinking about buying your first home? Exciting, right? But I'm going to guess you've already Googled how to buy a home and ended up with 47 tabs open, one headache, and probably still zero clue what to do next. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. Most first-time buyers feel overwhelmed because no one really teaches us this stuff in school. And let's be honest, real estate lingo can kind of sound like a different language. Escrow, appraisal, contingency. All you really want to know is, can I afford this? Where do I even start? And am I going to get ripped off? The good news, you don't need to figure this out on your own. Hey there, I'm Bret Johnson, Associate Broker with Realty Network Group at Real Broker. And I have helped a lot of folks over the years buy their first homes here in the Mesa and Greater Phoenix areas. We've designed a simple, stress-free system that takes the guesswork out of the process. It's what I call our VIP buyer system. So let's break down the key pieces that you need to know so that you can move forward with clarity and actually maybe enjoy the process. So the first is a mistake that so many buyers make. It's waiting too long to get it pre-approved. One of the biggest mistakes I see is that people fall in love with a home before they know that they can even afford it. And then when they finally talk to that lender, well, reality sets in like a ton of bricks. So here's the fix. Get pre-approved early. It gives you confidence. You're going to have buying power and leverage when you go to make the offer. So quick question, have you spoken with the lender yet? If not, shoot me a DM with the word lender, and I will send you a short list of trusted folks who we work with daily that will actually call you back and keep it simple. Now, the next mistake is thinking that you're going to find the perfect home. Spoiler alert, perfect does not exist, but the right home, we can find that. Our job is to help you separate nice to have from need to have. So we focus on what really matters to you. So let me ask you this, what are your non-negotiables in buying a home? Drop it in the comments for me. I would love to see what matters most to different buyers. Now, lastly, what really need is a game plan and a guide. So here's how our VIP buyer system works. Step one, we're going to personalize a consultation to map out your must-haves and a budget and timeline. Step two, we're going to get you early access to homes, including off-market properties. Third step is we're going to formulate a strategy so you don't overpay. Next, we're going to set our dedicated transaction team to manage deadlines and details. And then lastly, we're going to support you through closing and beyond. Oh, and if you're not 100% happy with the home that you buy with us, we have a buyer protection plan that says that we'll buy it back or sell it for free. No joke. So if you're serious about buying, maybe in the next 3 to 12 months, send me a DM with the word buyer and I will hook you up with our free buyer game plan session. Now, this is no pressure. It's just a chance to ask questions and walk away with a real roadmap. Also, comment below, what are your biggest fears when buying a home, especially if you're a first-time buyer? What's one question you wish someone would have answered for you honestly? So look, buying your first home shouldn't feel like you're wandering through a haunted house blindfolded. With the right plan and someone in your corner, it can be exciting, empowering, and even fun. And I'd love to help you every step of the way. Thanks for watching and congrats again on your future keys.